Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's Gary at Flippin' Sydney, and just coming to you today, wanted to do a little comparison between eBay and Poshmark. If you weren't aware, Poshmark has just launched in Australia, and it's still very new, but there seems to be a lot of people signing up to the platform at the moment. And I thought I'd just do a little bit of a comparison between eBay. I've been selling on eBay for about 2 years now, and then obviously I've signed up to Poshmark, but I haven't made any sales on the platform yet. But I just wanted to give maybe first
Very
impression.
nice.
And this is my opinion, but you know, I just thought I'd share a few ideas of maybe things you need to be aware of. But my suggestion would be try both platforms and see which works for you. Listing, Poshmark is easier. There's less specifics that you need to put into each of your listings. So it's actually an easier, quicker process to list on Poshmark, but you have far more categories to choose from on eBay, not just clothing. So if you have other items, it's going to be eBay definitely, but if you have clothing, then maybe you could use Poshmark or eBay. I had a look through the different categories on Poshmark, and you can actually list board games, and you can also list toys, which I don't think that many people were aware of. So that's two categories. And then also you have kind of bedding and you have home. So one other difference between Poshmark and eBay is you don't actually get to choose which carrier you are going to use for shipping items. So Poshmark has a business agreement with Sendle. So you have to kind of use them at this stage. And I'm not a big fan of Sendle. I've had some bad experiences with Sendle in the past of items not getting picked up and sent in a very timely manner. So I'm not thrilled about using Sendle. I would prefer to use Australia Post. If you have an Australia Post My Post business account, you actually get discounts for volume, or the more items that you send, you actually start to get discounts. There's different bands that you can move up. It will be interesting to see whether Poshmark has plans to actually use Australia Post as well as Sendle, because given the choice, I'd prefer to use Australia Post rather than Sendle. So we'll just have to see how that pans out. So the way that it works for postage at the moment, I believe, is that the buyer pays for postage, and it's a flat fee of $9.95, which is paid to Sendle. But one of the things about Sendle is they don't cover regional areas of Australia, which is about 40% of the country. And it becomes quite expensive to use Sendle if you're shipping to regional areas. So it's going to be interesting to see how that kind of plays out, whereas you get far more coverage with Australia Post into all of the regional areas in Australia. Okay, so another area that I wanted to talk about a little bit was the fees. So obviously with eBay, you don't have to have a store, but then if you have a store, it means you can actually have more listings every month. And so if you reach that limit of the maximum amount of listings that you're allowed, then you actually have to pay each time that you list a new item. With a store subscription, you get a set amount of listings each month that you can use. With Poshmark, it's slightly different. So Poshmark charges just a flat 20% on every sale, whereas eBay is probably somewhere around 15%. So you have about 11% eBay fees, so that would be maybe an insertion fee as well as final value fees after something sells. And then if you're using promoted listings, then that might be a couple of percent as well. It would be pretty similar, the fees that you're paying on Poshmark and eBay, if you're including store subscription each month that you probably get with eBay. Reasonably similar. I guess another thing is also, I've accumulated roughly 2,000 followers on Poshmark in the space of about 48 hours. And that is far more than I have on eBay or Depop, which is the other platform which I sell on. So obviously I'm getting more sales on eBay at the moment, but I'm interested just to see what happens with Poshmark in the coming kind of weeks and months. We'll just see what happens. So if you do decide to sign up to Poshmark, I'm just going to flash a code on the screen. If you want to use that, it will give you a $10 credit. And then I will also get $10 after you make your first sale. So if that's something that interests you, I'm going to put the code down and you can use that. Totally up to you. You don't have to. Yeah. Okay guys, there you go. Just a little comparison between Poshmark and eBay, and hopefully it gives you some info, and you know, you can kind of make a decision which you think will be best for you. But my opinion would be give them both a try and see which works. Obviously, if you're selling clothes, then potentially Poshmark might be, you know, a good area to start in. And then if you're selling other items, electronics and video games and other things, eBay is going to be more suitable for that. But give them both a try, see how you go. There is also Depop as well, which is a bit of a younger demographic, and that's mainly clothes as well. But that's it for now, guys. Okay, see you soon. As I said, I'm going to be trying to do one video a week, so stay tuned. All right, that's it for now. Thanks, guys.